guys, welcome back to the craft table. Today we're going to do a child-sized version of the Sock Snowman. We're going to be making snow babies. We'll need one white child-sized sock and one colored, color of your choice. We're going to need 2 rubber bands, 2 small buttons, colors of your choice, some rice, a scoop for said rice, easier to get out, black permanent marker, an orange pipe cleaner, hot glue or glue of your choice, scissors, a jar to hold your sock while you're filling it, and I'm going to be using a small plastic sandwich bag to put the rice in. This way it'll stay dry and safe. So now I'm going to put the sock over the plastic bag, and then I'm going to slide both of those down inside the jar. I put the top of the sock over the rim so gracefully, and then fold the plastic down around the top. Then I start filling. It'll take about 1.5 cups, and make sure to pack it down tightly, and then just pull the plastic bag and the sock up and slide it out of the jar. Make sure the rice is all the way down through, and give the top a little bit of a twist so you can put the first rubber band over it. Now start shaping. I made sure the bottom was nice and flat so it would sit very nicely, and then I started shaping where I wanted the head. Put the second rubber band around where the neck part would be, and then I trimmed off the excess plastic, shaped him up a little bit, and started on the sock in the hat. Scarf in the hat, sorry. You need 2 strips of your sock for the scarf, and then leave the toe part for the hat. You take 1 piece of your strip, stick it around the neck, snip the top of the other piece, and slide it through. Put it where you want, trim it up, and now go for the hat. I fold the bottom piece under and then just slide the whole thing over his little head. And look at there, you have a little snowman. Couple dabs of hot glue. Stick on the buttons. And then cut a very small piece of your orange pipe cleaner. Add a dab of glue. And there you have a nose. Grab your marker and add a face. Look at there. You have a snowman. Oh, snow baby. One more thing. Totally optional. Grab your blush. A Q-tip. And add a couple rosy cheeks. Like I said, this is totally optional, but it seems to perk them right up. And there you have it. One snow baby. So easy, so much fun, and so darn cute. Now we have the mommy, the baby, and I have baby sister and daddy. And there you have it. One cute snow family. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later.